So this is a demo for the electronic marks moderator. The goal of this system is for a teacher to upload marked scripts. The moderator views these scripts and gives feedback based on the marking of said scripts. So we're gonna have to, the first thing you need is a Google account. You sign up at Gmail and you get a free email address which comes with a Google Drive. This gives us 15 gigabytes of storage. So just be clear, it's not going to work with any other type of email address. It has to be a Gmail. So yes, this is me. You just go here and we're going to go through to it. So this gives me permission to put files into your drive and take files out. Then we set up for a moderator. No other information needed. So currently no data. We come here. So for this one, we configure a teacher. Now we can add Now we've added. Now we can configure the account. Okay, so we've configured our moderator. Now let's create a batch. So this is class 9i. Select some files. So yes, the next important thing to note is this has to be in a PDF format. It's not going to work if there's any other format. Now I've selected my files. I'm going to upload. So initially nothing's going to happen when you click upload. What's happening is the system is taking the PDF and converting it to an image, because that's much quicker to upload to the server than a PDF. The files are much smaller. So for the first few minutes it's just going to convert the files, and then a pop-up is going to come up that says loading, and that's when you know the uploading of the files to the server has started. There we go. Alright, now that the batch has been created, we can go over. But before that, I just want to say, if in case you had made a mistake with the email, you could easily just delete it and then add it again. Or if you want to add any more moderators, you can just do it here. Anyway, there we go, class 9i. So we as the moderator can moderate it. The image editor has to be initialized, so a random image pops up initially. Don't be worried about that. You can choose any one of these. Again, don't be alarmed if the picture doesn't come up initially. It has here for me, but sometimes it might take up to an hour for it to render after you've uploaded. So again, don't be worried. Let's say, so you have the drawing tool. Could do something like that. And then you add text. I save the annotations. So then if I reload the page, you're going to see that the annotated file has a dot annotated in it. I'm going to click on it. And we can see our edits have been saved. You can, continue more. So you're going to go through the batch and moderate at random or whatever. Eventually you're going to finish and then add comments on the batch. So again, we just have to so here we have our feedback in the teacher account. So you can view it, and here's the batch comments, and I can view the annotated files. So only the annotated files can be viewed by the teacher again. And we can see the edits that we made. Now once I'm done with this, obviously these things have been added to my drive. If say I want to delete them, and just do that. And it's done. So yeah. The last thing is remarks. So initially it's just going to set it up. Right. And say you want to request a new feature. And similar for the moderator, it's initialized, and so then if I log in with my account, I can view all the various feedback that I get from both the teachers and the moderators. This here, this here, they all pop up here. And that concludes the demonstration.